Hola, estamos en Andicom 2009 con W5Noticias y nos encontramos con Tim Lambi, vicepresidente de Américas International de Juniper Networks. Esta empresa tiene muchos anuncios interesantes, así que queremos que nos los cuente directamente Tim. Please, Tim, tell us about the new announcement that you have here in Andicom 2009.
Okay, thank you very much. The launch is the most significant launch for Juniper in 13 years. What we've done is basically taken all of our strengths in building out a highly reliable and effective, scalable network and completely opened it up. Because we believe that it's important for the service providers and enterprise organizations going forward that they have flexibility, that they have scalability, and that they have economy that comes with having a variety of solutions and a variety of partners that can all add value to their network. So in the new network that we're building, we've announced several different initiatives that support the launch. These initiatives are the fact that we've announced a broad-based software development kit, which we call Juniper Space, which allows our partners, our customers, and our service providers to build more value into the network by literally programming their networks. Taking a network and programming it to do what they want, creating net new managed services, creating net new value in terms of decreasing their OpEx by creating probes or collecting telemetry data. So that's very, very exciting because it can literally enable hundreds of applications. And we already have announced today over 8 partners that are building, partners like Telecom Italia, who are building their own applications for whatever it is that Telecom Italia wants to add value in their network. Akina Networks, who are building a caching application. Telcomi and Triveni Digital, who are both building flow monitoring and error correction applications. These are completely unique in as much as they're third-party companies that are building applications that will run right in a Junos router.
Perfect. Let's talk about the cloud. How close is the cloud for economies like ours with this announcement?
The cloud, I believe, is extraordinarily important to everybody. And the reason I say that is that there's a massive sea change going on, which is why we believe that this new network is important. The old network was about connecting point-to-point data centers or connecting point-to-point sites, and it was all about the transit. Okay, the new network is about content, it's about client to data center to data center. The scale requirements, the caching requirements, and the amount of content that the data centers are now required to hold is growing at the same rate of speed that the internet is growing.
Okay, so how is behaving the network now with these improvements?
We believe that it makes a very big, significant change in the network. We believe that the data centers and the cloud have basically 3 vectors of performance. One of the vectors is compute power, and that's how much processing power does the data center have, how much virtualization does it have of the applications. There's the network capability, the ability to interconnect all of the compute power, and historically that's been lagging a bit behind. There's been more advances in compute power, and the third vector is security, and the ability to virtualize security. We are taking a massive step to increase the capabilities of data centers in the networking space through the release of the Trio Silicon that we've announced and the 3D scalability of the access technology, as well as the virtualization of the security.
Thank you for staying with us in Andicom 2009. I just want to tell us a little bit about the new image of Juniper.
We think that the change that we're talking about to the new network, to an open network, to an ecosystem that supports our customers is so important that it made sense for us to change ourselves as well as change our go-to-market strategy and embark on a new path that included OEM partners, included the fact that we announced today something very exciting, which is we've announced an OEM partner for Junos, who is going to take Junos and run it in their Blade servers. So it will actually run on non-Juniper hardware for the first time. Again, another attempt to make the system as open as possible.
Tim, thank you for being with us in Andicom. Please tell us a last announcement, a last message.
My name is Tim Lambi. I work for Juniper Networks. I'm the Vice President of Americas International, and I'm excited to be at Andicom 2009.